to town.
These peaches are mine.
What is that thing?
A tornado?
A tumbleweed?
A giant hairball?
Let's find out right after this message thingy.
Oh, yeah. Ow.
1, 2, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Peg+cat. Peg+cat. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, come on, let's go. 4, 5, 6. Hey, what do you know? 7, 8, 9. What comes next?
Oh, 10.
10. You're the best. We are 2. Na 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 na. Me plus you. Na 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 na. We're Peg+cat. Peg+cat. Peg+cat.
The pirate problem. Now, what's a pirate problem?
Keep watching and you'll find out.
Okay, so we're on a tropical island. I'm Peg, if you didn't already know. And this is Cat. And we're about to have our very favorite #1 best in the world sandwich. Cheese and pickles.
Pickles and cheese.
Gimme, gimme, gimme that sandwich,
please.
I got my cheese and pickle sandwich.
Uh-oh.
We only brought one sandwich? And there are 2 of us? We've got a big problem. You take the sandwich, Cat.
No, you.
Me? Really?
Unless you think I should.
You?
Me?
Me?
You.
You amazing magician, Cat. You turned one big sandwich into 2 small sandwiches. So now there's a cheese and pickle sandwich for each of us. And so...
Problem solved. Problem solved.
The chewy cheese.
The pickly pickle.
Arr.
Oh, that's some weird tummy grumbling going on down there.
Arr.
Yo, you're pirates.
We are.
And you're their parrot.
And you're wearing a wool hat even though it's hot out. What's that about?
I'm Peg, and this is Cat.
We smells us some pickle juice. Scrumptious. Yummy.
Pickle juice!
Arr.
Sorry, pirates, but we've totally finished our sandwiches. So we can't offer you a speck of cheese, a crumb of bread, or a drop of pickle juice.
But you made us hungry.
And when pirates get hungry, we get cranky.
And when we get cranky,
You know what we do?
No.
We sing really bad.
It gets worse, believe me.
We really don't want you pirates to get cranky.
But we don't have any food to give you.
then you've got a really big problem.
We gotta find food for the pirates.
Here, pirate food. Ow.
A mango tree? Great idea, Cat. Do pirates like mangoes?
Ewy.
Yucky.
Poo.
Yuck!
How about papayas?
Yucko.
Stinky-o.
Ick.
Whoa.
Check out that banana.
'Tis no ordinary banana, Peg. Surely it must be the great banana.
I've heard of it.
Dreamed of it,
My mama told me bedtime stories about it.
but never have I seen
The great banana.
Silly cat. The great banana will never come down till it's good and ready.
That is one mysterious banana.
'Tis mysterious.
Wondrous.
Strange.
Pretty weird.
So, how about guava?
Ew.
Passion fruit?
Yuck!
Pirates are very picky eaters.
Should we even bother with this peach tree?
Did Peg say peach?
Pirates love peaches.
Peaches.
Not all the time, or you'll be totally started.
Peaches!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 peaches! That's enough peaches for all of you, so nobody has to.
Grab 'em! These peaches are
You
mine.
got more than me. No fair.
They got more than me. You all got more than I got.
There's enough peaches for all of you.
Well, don't start getting cranky.
Excuse me. Could you guys please keep it down? We're trying to make a film here.
Hey, Ramon.
Hey, Peg.
What brings you to this tropical island?
I thought it would be a great location for Pig's first music video. Dance like you mean it, Pig!
That's some fine dancing. Arr!
For a barnyard animal. Ah!
The lighting's not quite right. We'd better try the other side of the island.
Before you go, Ramon, I could really use some help with these pirates who are getting cranky.
We are!
How come?
They're really, really hungry, and they totally love peaches, but they can't decide how to divide them up.
Haven't you pirates ever heard of sharing things fairly?
Fairly sharing.
I don't think so.
Yeah, well, I know a Sharon.
Dividing things up so everybody has the same amount. Like when I'm playing cards with my friends. Whoever deals the cards out passes out one for me,
Then one for me.
Then one for me.
and like that. So everybody gets the same amount of cards.
So...
You're saying we should...
Play cards with the peaches.
Eat the cards?
I'm saying you can divide up a bunch of peaches just like you would divide up cards.
Give me all 16 peaches. Get out your pirate plates, and we'll show you how it's done.
One for you and you and you and you, and one more for you and you and you.
And me too.
One more for you and you and you.
And for me.
One more for you and you and you.
Whoopee!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nobody got less.
Nobody got more.
4 peaches each, right there.
Everybody got their fair share.
My star's getting restless. Better get back to work.
Thanks, Ramon.
You're the coolest dude on the 7 seas.
Yeah.
He is cool.
Now you all have the exact same number of peaches, so you could finally eat and not be...
Cranky?
I only have 2 peaches. Did you swipe me, peaches?
Never.
I only had 1 peach. Peach
No, 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 no. Don't fight. It's only peaches.
Eat up your
Took
peaches.
my peaches.
Take that back.
Take me peaches, Betty.
Look up there.
Up where?
That monkey in the tree took your peaches.
Give 'em back, you monkey meanie.
Have no fears, pirates. Cat and I will get back your peaches really fast because of 2 amazing powers we have. Cat can speak monkey. And I can do addition. Behold! You have 2 peaches, so you need 1, 2 more peaches to make 4.
Ooh, ooh. E-E.
2 plus 2 equals 4. See?
Blimey.
You have 1 peach, so you need 1, 2, 3 more to make 4.
Ooh, ooh. E.
1 plus 3 equals 4.
Well, scribble me, scribble.
She's a smart one.
I still don't get the hat. Ah?
1, 2, 3, 4. Now everybody's got 4.
Yo ho ho ho.
So don't wait anymore.
They look juicy.
And sweet.
Oh, the peaches will eat.
We'll smile and say thank ye.
And you won't be cranky.
The great banana has landed.
Okay, pirates, let's not get your eye patches all twisted up about this. It's just a banana. Everyone remain calm and eat your peaches already.
Who wants peaches?
When I could have the great banana.
I saw it first.
It's mine.
You pirates are never ever going to stop fighting and eat. You're just going to keep getting hungrier and crankier and crankier.
We are.
I am totally freaking out. Cat's right. I should count backwards from 4 to calm down.
And we should just stand here.
4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. You amazing genius cat. Just like you divide up cards fairly, and we divided the peaches fairly, we could divide up the pieces of the great banana fairly, so all the pirates are happy.
Yo-ho!
So because we knew about sharing fairly, in addition, we kept the pirates from singing really bad.
Math really saved our ears.
And so, problem solved.
The problem is solved.
We solved the problem.
So everything is awesome.
Problem solved.
It just so happens that inside my hat, just right next to my special marble, I always keep crispy, crunchy crackers.
Crackers?
Uh-huh.
Cool hat. Ark?
We were taking a break from shooting our video when we came upon some really cool shells. They kind of glow. We wanted to share them with our friends Peg and Cat. Everybody wants them. What to do about that? We got a problem? No. 'Cause of a way of dividing things up that I know. It's called fair sharing. Fair sharing. Fair sharing.
Fair sharing, fair sharing.
Let's dance.
Sing them shells.
She was swinging through the branches with no particular plans. When she found these big leaves, you can use them as fans. She wants us to wave them as we dance merrily, but she doesn't know how many to give us each.
We got a problem?
No!
'Cause of a way of dividing things up that we know. It's called fair sharing. Fair sharing. Fair sharing.
Fair sharing, fair sharing.
Yahoo!
Wave those fans.
Fantastic.
When we're cranky, our singing is as bad as can be.
But when we're happy,
We sing in sweet harmony. Thanks to
Fair
sharing.
fair sharing.
Fair sharing.
Fair sharing, fair sharing. Are we the jolliest pirates by far?
yes, we are.
Hey, Peg, you want to share a laugh?
You mean divide it up so we each get the same amount?
Yeah.
We totally shared a laugh fairly.
I know!
We are so crazy.
Oh, we are so crazy!
For more Peg,
And Cat.
go to pbskids.org.